quite this one bad habit to become more successful in life. Sometimes you get very tired of working really hard and it makes your mind wander. This makes you distracted from the actual work and you waste a lot of your time. The secret of overcoming this bad habit and attaining success is to value the time that you have. The secret to success is to value time because it is the only thing you cannot buy. This is absolutely right from the perspective that in order to pursue hobbies with high returns, you are required to forgo activities that have low returns. This may not sound easy initially, but the good news is that you can do this innately. You actually have to take time out to determine the opportunity costs and gains of each and what to pursue over the other, and make sure you value your time because time is money. Pursuing one goal requires complete focus. Follow these 5 simple tweaks to your daily routine can maximize your productivity. If you take the examples of successful people like Jeff Bezos, Jack Ma, Warren Buffett, Bill Gates, and many others, you will understand that how strategically giving up some of the activities made them focus on the ones that helped them become incredibly successful business champions. Jack Ma is officially the richest man in China now, but that did not happen overnight. It happened because Jack valued time and had a complete focus on his venture Alibaba. He valued his customers and the people who worked for him. He once said that fearless, optimistic people create the brightest future, and young people need to realize that once the time is lost, will never come back. This is why, while addressing younger people, he emphasized to do this when you're 30 years old. Bill Gates's passion for technology helped him build a $1 million company, but it never allowed him to get distracted from important things. He stated in his blog post, "I stopped listening to music and watching TV in my 20s. It sounds extreme, but I did it because I thought they would just distract me from thinking about software." The values he kept for himself were applied by him for his kids as well, and they were not given any cell phones until the age of 14. Also read, "Here is why Steve Jobs and Bill Gates raised their kids tech-free, and it's a lesson for everyone." On the other hand, Warren Buffett also did not keep a computer in his office and limited internet distractions by keeping a flip phone. For Buffett, the hobby is to play bridge, which is a game that requires a lot of patience, strategy, and tactic. He claims that it is the best intellectual exercise for your brain because you have to look at a new situation every 10 minutes. He is also interested in the lifelong habit of reading and claims to read 500 pages every single day. This is how the knowledge works and builds up like compound interest. This is no doubt an activity that requires a lot of time, which most people don't have, but the takeaway here is to learn from these 2 examples. Social media apps are also a reason for huge distractions and waste your time. Despite the fact that Facebook and Instagram get tools to limit your time on the apps, still, these apps are created in a way that they engage users for over a longer period of time.